Kompa dance tutorial. If you want to watch part 2, like and share.
I watch everybody, and I think it's the right time for me to, show the right way to do it, because so many people do whatever they want with the foot and also behave their foot however they want. But I will show you exactly how to dance Kompa professional. First of all, you have to think about your waist, your feet, your shoulders, your hands, and your head. So your position should be balanced, and also you have to focus about your legs, which is your feet, very firm, because they are the balance of your body. If your feet are not balancing, you cannot dance Kompa professional. So for the basic Kompa step, all you have to do, you have to make sure that when you stand on the dance floor, you only have one step between your legs, only one step between the legs. So while you are dancing, right, you have to use your knees. Now watch this. I see some people do this. This is wrong. Or some people just, this is not good.
If you want to watch part 2, like and share and comment part 2.
This is my square. When you think, you have to think about a square. When you're in a square, respect your position.